Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. First off, I appreciate all the support. I really do. Thanks. I hope some of the videos that I've done can help some folks out. At least, to enjoy themselves a little bit. But anyway, I'm gonna touch on the inner tube stuff again really fast. There are so many freaking ways you could put this stuff together. You could use it like any other material. I got a couple that I've shared before that I just have them, they're stapled like everything else. The other ones I've done, these don't have tape in them, but I just made a pouch with them. This has a flint and steel kit in it. But what I wanted to show you guys also is, see, here's an older one. I don't know if this one's sewed, and I just got a puck in it. But it's sewn. So I went through and poked holes and just double stitched it through there. It holds good. So it's just it's what I put a axe puck in that keeps it from scraping around. And I have my trusty stick right here again. Somebody wanted to buy my stick from me. I don't know who it was, but I will sell you guys a stick if you really need one. I'm just kidding. Y'all can find a stick someplace, but if you really want me to sell you one, I'll sell you one. 50 cents, $65 shipping. I'm just playing. So that was one that I stitched by hand. I just poked holes with an awl, or I may have used a leather punch. I can't remember. I've had it for a long time. This guy is just a piece of material that I've got from this is a tractor inner tube. So, this stuff is huge. It's probably 8 feet long, I guess. Big honking pieces. Just one tube. I have several tubes, I think. I can get some more if I need some more, but so many options. This is a piece of that I've cut, and I have a hand crank sewing machine that stitched it right there. You can pull it apart, but you got to pull pretty hard. Like, you wouldn't need to. That may have just been where it wasn't all tied together right there, but it's pretty stout, and that's just plain black thread. It's not that strong. This is waxed cotton thread on there. This one again is stapled. You can see the staples in the side of it right there. Just with the flap on it. I got a couple more somewhere that are like multiple pieces. I want to say it's similar to this one. It's on the front of a El Bruja knife that I used for a knife of the month, and I accidentally poked a hole in it. I mean, this stuff's pretty tough, but I mean, you can poke a hole. You can poke a hole in it pretty easy if you get it caught on something. I mean, it's tough, but like you will tear it. But it takes a pretty good bit of effort to do that too, and that was just with the old rusty Allen wrench to poke it through there. It's not bomb-proof, but it is a little tougher than, say, a normal canvas. Yeah. It's pretty neat. It's worth playing around with. Like I said, you can find it at old service stations. Like, we have some old service stations out here way out in the country, and it's kind of, it's a gas station, general store, deli, whatever, and they plug tires and help out the old farmers and stuff, and they'll save them for you if you're like, hey, save these things for me. And they'll save you the tractor ones. And one tractor tube would last forever. If you could get a skidder in your tube, they're super ginormous. What else? Buses, I think the bus barn normally keeps some inner tubes, or they used to. We used to float down the creek on those. Motorcycle shops, bicycle shops. Motorcycles is a good size too, because you can get some, they're approximately this wide. This is just a folded piece, but you can get them close to this size and treat it the same way that we did the one with the little foldy jobby on there. You can get them pretty close to that. There's way less work doing it versus, doing two sides. But I encourage you guys to play around with it. Like I said, just treat it like you would a cloth and try sewing it. You could put welts in it, I guess, if you really wanted to. You could do, you could put a leather welt in some of this stuff and punch it with a leather punch and sew it like that, and dude, that stuff would be super, it would be super strong. But yeah, anyway, there were so many people asking questions and commenting and stuff. I had some past videos on making these things too. You can check back in my feed, and I believe we make this one, and we might make this one on there. I can't remember, but check those out for some inspiration. Something else too, while I got you guys here, I cannot remember what they're called, but long strips of those inner tubes cut make for awesome banding to tie stuff like on a backpack. I keep one of these tied on my water bottle bags just in case I needed to roll something up and put a band around it, putting tents up or whatever. It's a super handy piece for these larger inner tubes. Keeps you from trashing that stuff. And I heard an Australian dude talking about this one time, and I cannot remember what he called them to save my life. But it was a good name. It was a good name. Well, hey, just wanted to share this. It's a work day, so I'm gonna cut it short. I got stuff to do. But again, I appreciate the support. Feel free to subscribe, follow along, and check out my older stuff at Bushcraft Kelso on Instagram and bushcraftkelso.com for gizmos and gadgets. Much more stuff coming. I got some new knobs of the month in today. It's gonna be coming down the line from Finland. Pretty excited. We've still been banging out this dude. So there'll be some stuff coming on it. The Reef S5 glider in 3V. I'll talk about it a little while. I need to do a video on there. Probably do it this weekend. Yeah. Thanks, guys. You have a good week. Later.